What are the reasons for failure of orthodontic treatment? Is it a mistake by doctor? Is it a mistake by patient? Why? What are the reasons? We will evaluate multiple reasons for failure of braces treatment. So basically, the reasons can be divided into three categories. First one is from patient's side or patient's aspect. Second is from doctor's aspect. Third is from nature's aspect, which is not in the control of both patient and doctor. Let's discuss the reasons one by one. There are mainly two reasons from patient side. First one is not wearing retainer properly. Actually, retainer is as important as treatment because it stabilizes the correction and bone is not strong enough to hold the teeth in that position for 1 year. For that reason, it's always mandatory to wear whether it is a fixed or removable retainer. Second reason from patient side is continuation of habits, different habits. Usually these patients who come for braces treatment would have had abnormal habits like tongue thrusting, finger sucking, thumb sucking and lip biting. So those habits, if they are continued even after removal of braces, they are the reasons for failure of treatment. Doctor's aspect. First reason is failing to recognize danger from wisdom teeth. Wisdom teeth erupt at the age of 17 or 18 years. In most of the cases, braces treatment will be over and teeth will be set beautifully by the age of 17 years. But their problem starts when once wisdom teeth starts putting pressure on adjacent teeth. They push teeth away from their corrected position.
Oh no!
And treatment fails. The second reason is failing to establish cordial relation or coordination between the jaw joint and teeth. It's mandatory to have a coordination between jaw joint and teeth. Otherwise, the joint and jaw bones will push the teeth away from the corrected position. This problem usually appears in cases where there is abnormal jaw growth. In case if patient has a tendency for abnormal growth of any jaw, maybe upper or lower, will have that growth again be continued after removal of braces. That might turn out to be a reason for failure of orthodontic treatment. These patients who have tendency of abnormal jaw growth, even though it is under control during treatment, it might again appear after removal of braces. So those patients are advised to go for frequent checkups during retainer phase and also till their growth is completed. So by this we can avoid the failure of treatment in most of the situations.